Want to know how to use OneDrive in Microsoft 365? Well, no worries. You can also use OneDrive with other apps in Microsoft 365. So I'm just going to show you how you can do it easily. So first things first is simply open up m365.cloud.microsoft and you should be on the this interface right here. And now once you're on this interface, here you should be seeing on the left side your navigations. You can do simple like that. And now what you can do is on the apps you should be seeing OneDrive right below Outlook. You can do simple like that. So once you have looked at that, your OneDrive should open up with Microsoft OneDrive. Once you have logged in, you should be seeing all of your saved files that you can see, you can edit, you can move them, and also edit or delete them as well. This is basically OneDrive but in web form, and that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you use Microsoft OneDrive through Microsoft 365. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you on the next one.